Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So today I'm going to play some of the quiz games in QuizUp. And if you go to a school, then I think I'll be able to tell you some things about the topics that I'm going to play games in. So let's start with Science General and choose a random opponent. So Science General is about science in general, and I'm playing with Anusha. Is from India. She is from India. Let's see. Okay. So this is from astronomy, and yeah. Why it is ice cube? I think it's in Siberia, but it's not in Siberia. Okay. These factual questions I'm not a great fan of because they come and go. Which of these is not a noble gas? Boron is number 5 in the table. This is lithium. Boron is number 5 in the table, and therefore it is not noble gas. It's noble gas is, helium. Altitude. Okay. Use an altimeter and you can get your altitude. Inside the body. Okay. This viviparous animals give birth to live young ones. Okay. They have discovered quarks, and in some books I have found out that it is called quartz. Okay, she wants a rematch. She will get a rematch. Okay, rematch with commentary. What else can you ask for? My phone is not in a very stable surface, so that's another level of difficulty. Winkler, 32. Okay, 32, what's it? Right. Oh, he's from Germany. I know the periodic table, but I'm just forgetting it in my... I'm forgetting the table itself, but I know the tables. First they have scandium, then titanium, and the third is blue. They have hemocyanin instead of hemoglobin. So if this was a little slower, I would comment more, but okay. But the time is short, so I have to go fast a little bit. So if you are in class 12, you have to know this. So water is not an element, it's a compound of 2 hydrogen elements and 1 oxygen elements. Fermentation. These people questions I don't like. Who discovered, what discovered, which year they discovered, they are not very useful. They have a black fur, and the way light goes over that. So do you want another rematch, or will be going away? I think she is going away. Let's try another opponent. Hope I get up to level 10. Okay, she is back here again. Let's see. She has a higher level than me. Okay. Oh, this is Pico. This will be Pico. Yeah, going too fast. Okay. These are stoichiometric calculations. Yeah. What is? I am losing my mind. Sorry. I shouldn't be so bad in science, but I am bad. How many isotopes? 6. questions are kind of annoying, very annoying. You know the strata, and therefore we have stratigraphy. Floor of the caves. It's stalagmites. It's stalagmites. Yeah, you see. But I still win, you know. As we want a rematch, let's do a rematch. Anushwa. I had a friend back in college whose name was Anushwa, and I don't know if she is this one, but I think she isn't this one. I think she has gone back on this challenge and therefore it is not showing. So goodbye. Let's try with another player, and let's see what happens. After this, I have to do some errands. You know, this is the coronavirus everywhere. Acetone we find in nail polish remover. This gives it its characteristic smell, the smell of acetone. I'm not a girl, but I still know. I don't have a sister even, but I still do know. Gas as a byproduct. So oxygen is a byproduct of photosynthesis, and therefore plants are good for our planet. And there are a lot of other reasons for that. This includes like they hold the soil, and weak interaction it is. They hold the soil and prevent soil erosion. So in Antarctica you have everything in ice, therefore there is no grassland. Okay. Jaguar is leopard. Lion. Oh, lion are social animals. I'm thinking about they're social with. I thought they were social with humans. They are social animals. They live in a pride. Okay. So bacteria are prokaryotes. So this is an easy question for me, but not so easy for Gondalia. Oh, she did it. I think let's play a last game about this topic of science. I'm using my new title, Newton's Apple. I hope that it just doesn't fall on my head, because if it falls on my head, you know, I can have a concussion or something worse, and then I'm going to lose these topics. Bob dumps a chemical into water. Okay, it gets cooler because the reaction is endothermic. You know, endo. That's fox. Bulbs. This means fox. In Latin, I think. That might be Greek. Takes some minerals. Fruits take some minerals. Everyone knows that. This is easy. Proton. Who discovered? Why do you ask these questions? Who discovered? And what year they discovered? These are for, you know, babies. Long straight lines represent wires. Oh, another one. How many years ago? But this one was slightly better because you know, the human civilization started at a time and many of the options were behind that time. Let's play biology. It will be nice if I lose in biology, because you know that's my subject which I had in the university, and losing at my subject is can be funny. So let's see if we can make this funny. Astronaut. Who is Manuel Scarlet? But that sounds like a male name, but it's a female. Which kingdom? Kingdom Animalia. Scarlet, you have to be a little bit faster if you want to if you want to catch up with me, you know what I mean. You do not come personally to me, because this is the time of the home quarantine or quarantine, whichever way you say it. Scurvy is caused by vitamin C, a deficiency of vitamin C. This happened to the sailors who were sailing away in the oceans for long months of time. I don't know, it's yada yada yada. But I know, you know, there is uh, there is a strong unconscious thinking going on when you have studied the subject for so long. It's a purely from bacteria. Okay, let's not waste any more time in biology. I think I will pause this. Can I pause this one?